Hi guys, hope you're keeping well and safe. So since the schools closed, I'm sure you, just like me, have spent a lot more time outdoors, either in your neighbourhoods, going for walks with your families, or just playing outside in your gardens. Well, this has been the same for children and grown-ups all over the world. Everyone has been taking time to enjoy nature around them and watch all the beautiful things that we may not have really even noticed before. So this week I'm going to ask you to go outside and look up to the skies and the trees and the plants all around you, because we are going to learn a few facts about 5 garden birds. As part of your homework, you'll notice a little record sheet, and on this you can record how many times you spot these 5 birds over the coming days. You can put a little food outside your house or on a windowsill and see if some of our feathered friends come to visit. I bet they will. Birds are an amazing species, and they come in endless colours, sizes and types. They have also been around for millions of years and have always made us jealous with their ability to fly. Although birds can look completely different than each other, there are a few characteristics they have in common. But what does the word characteristic mean? Well, a characteristic is a special quality or appearance that allows us to recognize different people or animals or things from one another. So 3 characteristics that all birds have in common are that they all have wings, beaks, and feathers. That's how we know them apart from other animals. They are also warm-blooded, which means that their bodies are always the same temperature. And they lay eggs. Their bones are also extremely light, which helps them to easily fly. Their feathers are very important to them, and besides just looking pretty, keeping them clean is also essential to their survival. This is why you often see birds outside even when it is raining, and they really love taking a bath. If you put a little bowl of water outside your house, you might see a bird taking a bath right in front of you. Just stay very quiet so you don't scare them away. Birds communicate with one another through calls, songs, and dances, and in spring and summer you might find them nesting in nest boxes, trees, shrubs, and even garden sheds. So get searching! The first bird we are going to learn about today is the sparrow. The sparrow is a friendly little garden bird. Females and young sparrows are brown in colour, and male or boy sparrows have a grey cap on their head, a black bib under their beaks, and they have chestnut and white wings. Sparrows eat almost anything, like seeds, peanuts, and even dinner scraps. Next we have the blue tit. Blue tits are really distinctive looking birds, which means they are very easy to recognize. They have a blue cap on their heads, greeny bluey backs, white cheeks, and a bright yellow belly. They often visit gardens in groups. They love eating peanuts and they even drink milk. Blue tits often nest in the holes of trees, but they have even been found in letterboxes and street lamps. Our third bird today is the blackbird. Male blackbirds are the easiest to spot. They have black feathers, a bright orange beak or bill, and a yellow ring around their eyes. They can often be seen on garden lawns with their heads cocked to one side, listening for earthworms. They also feed on insects, berries, and other fruits, so leaving out old apples broken into pieces is a great way to attract this melodic bird to your garden. Next up is the goldfinch. This is a very pretty bird. It has a bright red face, white cheeks, and beautiful black and yellow wings. It mostly eats seeds, but also likes peanuts, and is one of Ireland's most popular garden birds. In the winter, goldfinches roam about in flocks of up to 100 birds searching for food. And finally, we have the robin. You will all recognise this little guy, often known as Santa's little helper during the winter months. A robin's red breast makes them instantly recognisable. Robins like insects and some fruits, including apples, and they will even eat cheese. And they love visiting Irish gardens. In cold weather, robins plump out their feathers to keep themselves warm. And although they are very cute, they are also known to be cheeky little birds, as they can be very protective of their food. So basically, they don't like sharing. I hope you enjoyed learning about garden birds, and I look forward to hearing about which ones you spot in your own gardens and on your walks over the coming weeks. Happy bird watching, guys!